Welcome to the final video on our video series, Your Lord Has Not Forsaken You. In this series, we first defined what trauma is and explained how it impacts our bodies. We then addressed how post-traumatic growth can lead to new perspectives and a means to rediscover ourselves. Next, we went through the paradigm that the articles in the series will work through to help heal trauma. Please keep in mind that the series isn't meant to be a substitute for therapy. It's just meant to be a stepping stone or an introduction to the topic. If at any time you have flashbacks, feel like you're about to harm yourself or someone else, or feel that the contents of this series are too triggering for you, please stop watching and seek professional help immediately. As you begin your journey, we encourage you to identify your intentions to help guide you in the best way. We pray for healing that will allow you to feel like your best self, and we pray that the past will no longer hold the same power over you. Be sure to check out the accompanying article to this video series titled, Your Lord Has Not Forsaken You, Addressing the Impact of Trauma on Faith. Before we let you go, here's a gentle reminder that if God has chosen you to undergo these difficult situations, then He has also given you the strength to overcome them. Allah's promised us that He does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity. So remember, you are resilient and you are enough to get through this. That's all from us today. See you in the next series. Assalamu alaikum.